bar closing has anything to do with Somali Muslims is baffling to me. Like, we left Yelp reviews for the governor. Like, they weren't halal enough for us. Like, bro, what is you talking about? Like, the audacity to assume Somalis have enough motion in Minnesota that we can pass laws. If you are anti-Islamic, if you're not halal enough for the Somali standard, you can't have a business in Minnesota. Like, you have to prove you are not anti-Islamic. Like, the audacity to get online and think we have anything to do with the $360,000 missing at this bar. Like, we opened a Moss daycare with this bar. Like, that's why the missing money is. Like, bro, what is you talking about? The audacity, bro. Come on. Actually try to pull something incredible out your ass. Like, bro, come on.